Welcome to the reading and writing lessons. Today, we will be talking about the different techniques in selecting and organizing information. These techniques are the following. 1 is brainstorming list. 2 is graphic organizer. 3rd is the topic outline. And the last one is the sentence outline. Start with brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Brainstorming is a group problem-solving technique that involves the spontaneous contributions of ideas from all members of the group. So, what is brainstorming list then? Brainstorming list is a technique in selecting and organizing information by just listing all ideas that each members of the group thinks of, suddenly focusing on the topic. Let us dig deeper to the origin of brainstorming list. Advertising executive Alex F. Osborne began developing this method for creative problem solving in 1939. It was because his employee was unable to develop creative ideas individually for the ad campaign. So, in response to that, he began to host group thinking session. And there, he discovered a significant improvement in the quality and quantity of ideas produced by his employees. Brainstorming activity conducting Osborne claimed that two principles to ideative efficacy, these being deferred judgment and the reach for quantity. These are the three principles of brainstorming. 1 is it reduces social inhibition among group members. It also stimulates ideas and increase overall creativity of the group. Here is the process of brainstorming. The first thing to do is to focus on the given topic. Then, list as many ideas as you can. Brainstorming has different variations. One is the nominal group technique. Another is the group passing technique. We also have the team idea mapping method, the directed brainstorming, the guided brainstorming, the individual brainstorming, the question brainstorming. Another way of organizing your ideas is through graphic organizers. Some examples of graphic organizers are concept maps, hierarchical topical organizer, bubble topical organizer, charting method, and the diagram. Here's how to do the visual concept. This is another example of a concept map. Here is an example of hierarchical topical organizer. Here are the different examples of charting method. And we also have the Venn diagram. Another way of organizing your information is through outlining. What is outlining? An outline is a formal system used to think about and organize your paper. Usually we make use of topic outline and sentence outline. What is topic outline? This is an example of a topic outline. A topic outline is a form of writing an outline using only topics. This is of course different from sentence outline, since sentence outline is a form of outline making use of complete sentences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in reading and writing.